training focused on customized services. Smart BMS can be chosen to check battery information. Screen and connector also available. We can tailor the battery just as you think. Now let's check the battery assumption. This pack has 4 cells, consists of bus bar, smart BMS, screen, connector, and handle. Those are essential to the battery pack. Feel free to contact us.
It's our 400 voltage 50 ampere hour lithium battery for electric car. It is assembled by NMC 50 ampere hour prismatic cells. This is the internal structure, and there are 9 battery modules inside of this box. We can design the cooling pipes for the battery system, and we can provide customized service as you require. Please feel free to contact us if you have any inquiry. Let's show you our production line for 72 voltage 50 ampere hour multi-stack battery. There is a computer on each workstation to show production steps. First step of production is cut of extra cell tabs. Second step is fix the battery cell into epoxy place. Black foam can reduce vibration, and an epoxy plate will be placed between the cells for insulation. The third step is spot welding. During welding process, we ensure the effectiveness of each solder joint. The first step is welding the signal wires. Solder each wire on each battery cell. After soldering, we use the wire harness tester to check whether the wire harness is welded correctly. If there is no problem, the green light will light up. The fifth step is welding BMS on battery module. We must control the welding temperature and ensure welding effect meets process requirements. Now we are testing battery modules, and through computer, we can see voltage, capacity, discharge current, and the temperature changes when discharging. Next, use heat shrink film to pack battery module and put in the battery housing. Lastly, we have 3 quality inspections to ensure battery performance is good and the appearance is beautiful. About package, we put foam around battery and use cartons to pack it.
Ecer technology makes foreign trading easier.